We are here today to speak to the government, to interact with the government, as we have always done, to talk to them about the issues of cooperation. We have met with the Attorney General, as well as the Cabinet Subcommittee on the ICC. We have discussed with them again the issues of cooperation. The government has reiterated and recommitted itself to continue to cooperate and work with the ICC. We have highlighted some of the outstanding requests, and the government has undertaken to look into this request and to provide us with the required information as soon as practicably possible. We have highlighted to the government the continuing issue that we have on the question of intimidation to witnesses. Both the ICC and the government agree that intimidation to witnesses, threats to witnesses, are a crime. There are indications of people who are intimidating witnesses. What we are seeking the cooperation of the government on is to ensure that the people, whoever they are, who are intimidating witnesses or those perceived to be ICC witnesses, then those people should be brought to book. There are cases that we are investigating at the moment, and in that regard, again, we have already received the cooperation of the government of Kenya. So we are collecting the evidence, and as I've said, we will not hesitate. Once we've got enough evidence against these people, we will not hesitate to bring charges against them. There is what is called an Article 70 proceedings under the statute, where anybody who interferes with witnesses or interferes with justice then can be brought to. So we are collecting evidence against these people and will be able to bring charges against them as soon as we have got enough evidence. Cooperation is unconditional, and Kenya, not only as a state party, but also as a country that has committed itself to cooperating with the ICC, is under an obligation to cooperate with us from the start of the investigations till the conclusion of our trials. There's a process for taking out cases out of the ICC. You not just go and tell the ICC that we want these cases. There's a process, there's a legal process under the statute through which everyone must go if you want to take a case out of from the ICC. So if the African Union or whoever wants to take the cases out of the ICC meets the criteria or satisfies the criteria under the statute that is required for them to be able to deal with the case that ICC is dealing with them, that will happen. But I cannot speculate on that, really. It will depend on what anyone that wants to take out the cases, that wants to take the cases from ICC, what those people have to bring to the judges. Ultimately, it will be for the judges to decide whether the criteria under the statute and under the rules of procedure and evidence of the court are met for taking out the cases from the ICC.